Yo, I'm about to. Yo, can you hear that cricket? Can you hear the cricket? He's getting it. Listen, Join '05 and Ant Live 1311. Listen to the cricket. Let me know if you can hear it. Do you see that? That cricket. He keeps going off. Oh, he did it 15 times in a row. Can you guys hear the cricket? Hi, Air Crews. Listen, can somebody please tell me if you can hear that cricket? He goes, I can't do it like that cricket. Yo, that cricket's got a beat. Jesus loves you too, wowzers. I knew Jesus. I used to talk to Jesus when I went to sleep and went into my delta level of consciousness, something called cognitive dissonance, right? And I talked to Jesus. Yep. That's for another time. Can somebody please tell me if you can hear that cricket? Please. Share my live and give me some likes, please. Yo, I'm going to tell you something. Where I'm at in the metaverse, we have spider crickets. Yo. Hi, Josh. Let me know if you can hear these crickets. Yo, this cricket's getting it. But like I said, where I live at in the metaverse, they're spider crickets. And I'm a cat. Tonight I'm Meow Meow, mother. I just got back from a band. Yep, bullying again. It's not fair. Like, dude, I'm on the spectrum. So I do have another account called Heidi on the Spec. And that one is going to be like more about CPTSD and how it's similar to the Spec, right? And then the Heidi Lynn show is the Heidi Lynn show. But 2 years ago, the pandemic, I had COVID. Like, I had the first strand of that virus, okay? I'm a first strander. And I was sick for a whole month. But yo, I made a Facebook page called Listen Up Dum Dums. And I just absolutely trolled the media campaigns. And I turned it into comedy. So it's pretty crazy. So I have all of this artwork that I've done because it's what I have to do so I can think straight. You know what I mean? Like, have you ever wanted to sit in a padded room just so you could write a fucking book? Oh, really? You have? Then you're an author. And I am an author. And I am a goddess. And also, let's see, I'm Meow Meow. Meow Meow is a new alter ego. So we're going to, I want to get into Meow Meow, but I need some likes. I need some, Who's Snap on Mark? It says invite. He's the one that got me banned. Ooh. He better not. Yo, that cricket's going hard. Yeah. I'm not a stay-at-home mom anymore. I wear cat meow meows. Thank you for the tiny diny. You must be a panther. Or maybe you're a silver fox. I don't know. I don't care anymore. I was thinking earlier, like, so like if I'm really hanging out with my friends, Look at this. I will make them laugh. I will make you laugh, and I would just be like, because I'm Meow Meow, I can do what I want. I'm on the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never touch the ground. Right? Isn't that fucking weird? I'm telling you, like, I can do so many characters because I'm an author and I write characters, and I have the best characters, like, my whole life, and people that I'm still very good friends with since childhood. Yo, I never stopped these characters, and they know it. I go strong. Okay? I do. So, thank you for the hearts, Mr. Mike Lee. All right, let's get to 1,000 likes, but Meow Meow hasn't found her tune. But, yo, that cricket. Can you guys hear the cricket? Yes or no? Can you hear the cricket? Yes or no? Yes! Oh! Okay, good. Meow Meow's gonna get it tonight. I have a sampler on here. Oh, he did 26. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Cricket's getting it. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, this cricket! Look at him coming back at me. Yo, bro, I'm a human. Oh. He wants to go against Meow Meow. Meow, 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 meow. You can't do that, cricket. Can you believe this cricket? He's trying to battle with me. Yo, he thinks I'm competition. That's right. That's why your family's gone, Spider Cricket. Because you all had to go near my kids. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, crickets. Spider, so you said now you grew eyes because I dabbed sativa? There's another cricket talking back to him far in the distance. Oh, he done moved on to a new match. Look. Look. Look, I just ghosted that cricket. It was the meows that was getting it. It is attracting other crickets. I'm like this cricket's wing woman right now, yo. With a cricket as Meow Meow. It's an animal spirit. Yo, Meow Meow's non-binary. Do you see why people like to embrace what makes them happy? I want to be a cat right now, and I am. All right, hold on. Yo, this cricket. He's not stopping with me. Look, you hear this cricket. Loud as a whistle. This cricket is so loud that I thought it was in a closet. It is behind a window that is closed, and you can hear it. Do you know the perfect Ed Sheeran song? I just know random bits of songs because, like, since I am actually like a bit on the spectrum, like, it's not like Tourette's, but there's just certain parts of songs that I'm just like really good at singing it. I mean, I could learn the song and be good at it, but like they'll just be like that key song in your head. Like, I wake up a lot of the mornings, I just wake up to like the most random songs and I sing them all morning. But then there's mornings like this morning, that I wrote a song and it was very, very beautiful. Oh, I hear another little cricket biddy. There's another little cricket biddy coming back. Because this cricket knows that I'm talking to you guys. This cricket, he knows that I'm talking to my friends right now. Okay? And now he's still chirping. And then I hear some side cricket back far away. A little more interesting. Must be nature of living beings. I think it's so funny. People fight over like gender and, you know, how we identify themselves. It's so funny. You know why? Because everybody's work. Who cares? And stupid taxes, right? Don't you remember we used to walk around with burlap sacks and freaking coins in it? You saw Robin Hood as a kid. You know you did. Is she in a closet? It's happening again. Meow meow. Blink once. I didn't. Yabara. What's up? Thank you for the likes. We gotta get it. Meow meow.
Meow, meow.
All right, it's here comes the beautiful ADHD light. I have to get along with this cricket. I did good with ukulele and the cricket, but ukulele is very spiritual for me. And that's why when I do drop things on my TikTok where I'm actually singing ukulele, I can assure you that I am much better than that. Because I will always get better. Meow Meow will play this freaking ukulele until I'm going to live to 200 years old. And guess what? When I'm 200, I'm not going to have to DIE. I'm just going to ascend. Yeah. And you know it. And you know it. Because if you are on my live right now, yo, you know I'm a woman who has ideas. Right? So, those other crickets in my house. Tomasito, thanks for the rose emojis. Oh, I have 901 diamonds and 3 gifters, 1 new follower. We got 359 views, but let me tell you something. That's what I like. That's called divine intervention. Great minds think alike. And tonight I decided to be Meow Meow because my kids have so much fun wearing these. And then they just rip them off. They're just like, putting them on the dog. And I am low-key, like, I want to yell at them extra hard. And you know why? Because I want to wear the freaking Meow Meows. And now mom's wearing the Meow Meows on freaking TikTok Live. I used to be a Facebook Live girl. Yep. Nobody watched. I went on Instagram Live and I had 0 views, but I don't know, you got to keep up with the Instagram and the Facebook, and you know something? I'm just getting to a point where, I'll see you in the metaverse. Well, I'll see you, baby. But let's make some money. Thank you for the likes. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Pew, pew. Pew, pew. Pew, pew. No. No, I got to do it different. Pew pew.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew.
Yo, this cricket! He won't stop! He's bringing out the animal in me. This cricket, that's why I think I feel the spirit of Meow Meow right now. Since I am a psychic, because you're all psychics too, all you have to do is be able to get your brain into a level of consciousness where you actually have your dreams, because everybody knows dreams are what the fuck? I have some weird ass dreams. Oh, Gina, look at me, my meow meowness. Look at me. Nobody knew about that genie in a bottle. Yo, you all know, my friends that are on here right now. Oh my God, I thought it almost said 0 and I was like, but I didn't. Okay, so my friends that are on here right now, I'm really glad that you're here. So I have been working in, well, you know, I have that speech impediment, so it's really hard for me to say. Naturopathic. It's like, it's so endearing, right? But I know what I'm doing, but I have a very, very broad background of working in the hospitals and doing sales, obviously. Comedian, singing, and acting, I've done my entire life, right? So I'm timeless. And I have always loved makeup. But I'm telling you something. I am the type of person that likes makeup for its functionality. And guess what? Some of the cheap stuff is like, yo, you can do whatever you want, but nobody's beating L'Oreal volume and length. They're not going to do it. Go ahead and try. So I know the whole world wears it. And I just got to think, like, where do they make that? Where do they make that mascara? I want to make it. Jeez. I mean, I could just, like, you can make it out of, like, shampoo. Okay, so are you sure? I think I'm the most toxic of them all, maybe. It's okay if you're toxic. You're just probably like, okay, so what you're probably doing with your energy is trying to suck my energy, but since I'm a goddess, I've been to hell. Okay, so you are a fallen angel because it's fun, and Meow Meow says what it is. So now you're a good person. Are you in character? Yes, I am. It's Meow Meow. Meow Meow came to me right before this live, yo. Because Meow Meow, I put Meow Meow in my hair to, like, help with it. Because I washed my hair today. So I was able to actually blow dry it and then put Old Purple on there. My real friends know who Old Perp is. You know Old Purple? That's right, the PYT Purple Ceramic lifetime warranty, and I've never had to take it back, and that still gets hot. But Meow Meow ears are on because I only wash my hair like every couple days because it's super gorgeous. And I'm telling the truth, so like I gotta, instead of saying I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be like, I'm telling the truth. Like, could you imagine? Like, you're stupid. Like, I'm sorry. I'm telling the truth. I cannot believe this cricket. This cricket is not happy about me making noise, yo. Distracting me. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. It's me, Ruff Ruff. Ruff Ruff. All right. Ruff Ruff.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
No, let's do it again. Ruff Ruff.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
I gotta say it faster. Ruff Ruff.
Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff.
It sounds like a video game.
Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff.
That ain't right. That's like maple syrup. No, hold on. Maple syrup.
Maple syrup, maple syrup. Maple syrup.
How do you like your waffles? With?
Maple syrup.
How do you like your waffles?
Maple syrup.
You like butter?
Maple syrup.
Oh, you like jelly?
Maple syrup.
That's all you know? Oh?
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup, maple syrup, maple syrup. Maple syrup goes on my pancakes and I wear it. It gets everywhere and it sticks when you put it in the fridge.
Maple syrup.
Why do people put syrup in the fridge?
Maple syrup.
To keep it away from their kids! I think the most toxic thing that I've ever done as an ex-girlfriend was take a bottle of syrup as I was moving out my stuff, you know, and I just squeezed it into the trash can. The trash can that, you know, I'm so freaking psycho. I like cleaned before I left because I'm psycho. Except for this, okay? A whole thing of syrup and like, you know, weeks go by and you're whatever, and it's like he said there was an infestation of ants. Well, you know, you just I bring the truth out of people, that's for sure. Because that's how it is. Like the people that stay in your life, that are really a part of your life, those people all right, let me think straight. Meow Meow. Meow Meow wants to pounce on that cricket. I'm going to go tell it to shut up. Okay, listen. I have a moderator on. I would never, ever yell at a baby spider cricket. But this is my house, and I have to tell that cricket. Come at me, brah. Where are you at, cricket? Ah! You. Oh my God. Ah! Yo. I think that cricket. No, it's just a gray. Oh. This cricket's driving me nuts! Phantom scream. Start sharing my lives. Alright, so anyway. Alright, maple syrup, I'm done. I gotta talk about stuff. But that cricket, yo. I really cannot relocate right now because kids is asleep and I can't stay home much longer. But this cricket, look, I checked the window. The window is shut and locked. I even tried to put some blanket around the little window. That's how loud that cricket is. That's not normal. Yo, that thing is trying to mate. Yo, that one's got some stamina. Somebody look it up for me. When crickets, like mating season for crickets, what is the gender of the cricket that like goes hard with the chirps? Can somebody look that up for me and then comment it, please? I love that you can hear the cricket. In addition to the piano, still play the... Oh, don't you be getting... Listen. This is why I need moderators on. What you say is so funny. It really is. But listen, I have to make an example. So sorry. Okay. So, if people are going to say disgusting things in my comments, knowing that I am an improv actress and that I don't come up and read everything, I'm just, as soon as I see it, I'm just going to block you, and I'm going to have to, Meow Meow's community guidelines. Oh, Meow Meow's community guidelines say, don't be commenting things that are going to get my live reported for bullying and harassment because I love you all. How dare they? Whew. I get real heated up on that. And I believe people are like, oh, my account, this and that. I follow the guidelines the best I can, but it goes deeper than that. This platform has a certain style. They have an algorithm, and the numbers are what bring people together. They always are. It's the language of the universe is numbers. Like, duh! I'm surprised that people are not fighting over what number they are. I mean, we did that as kids. As kids, I remember, oh, if I couldn't be like number 1 or number 3 or number 7 or number 11, I was like, oh, and that kid over there gets to be number 1. Don't you remember that as a kid? Like, it didn't matter what color you were. It didn't matter who you were hanging out with. You would be watching a Disney movie, and you would be fighting like, I'm Ariel this time. And then it's like, no, I'm Ariel. Like, and then me as the mom, I'm like, I'm Ariel. No, you're Ursula. Like, no, your grandmother was Ursula. And no, our grandmother is, Okay, so dark jokes. What is your favorite thing to do? This! You are beautiful. You have crickets in your closet. I don't know. Let me see. No, it's literally from, it's got to be from outside or like behind something because there's toys everywhere, okay? There's toys and laundry and a barrier around the perimeter because I'm constantly on hypervigilant mode to keep my child pronouns alive. So my house is like, I almost feel like I have barriers for the kids and dogs to like hide behind. Like, you know how we put up gates? Like, yo, it's like you gotta trap those kids in there, but they're smart. You know what? My gates, a lot of them became drying racks, but they're pretty good. I use crickets as a guitar pick. For real? They don't crackle? I guess not. You listen to that thing. Gina. Yo. Meow Meow, so Meow Meow is definitely Gina's cat. That's what I just realized in this improv moment. My friends that are on here, you know the characters. So we have Gina, and now we have Meow Meow. There's Old Perp, the straightener. Old Perp. There's Pinky, the straightener. Okay? And that's definitely like the ones that I can remember right now. And I mean, they're going strong, right? They're going strong. Oh, and then I named the chair today at my office. I named it Spinny. So yeah, it's Spinny. Yo, I have to be good on that chair though because like it is really fancy. It's a fancy chair. It's a fancy. It's a fancy chair. It's a very, very, very fancy chair. It's a fancy. It's a fancy chair. It's a very, very, very fancy chair. It's a fancy. It's a fancy chair. It's a fancy, fancy, fancy chair. See? That's what I like to do. You know, getting in trouble. How am I gonna get more meow meow, it's me, ruff ruff? I still can't get over that, William. That was really funny. Cricket is a robot spy. Great! Come in here, little robot spy. I'm all about that. I'll dissect it. It would have to let me, because if it's spying, it's obviously able to gauge what my potential is as a human. So if I'm able to realize that it's an actual robot cricket and like tell somebody, I probably get to go on that ride with Elon Musk to Mars on the spaceship. Ah! Yo, I'm gonna kick that cricket. That cricket is the ticket to my space. Ew! Alright. Right now I'm just going to remember that cricket is a ticket. Because I was pushing it too hard and I spit like a toddler. That's what toddlers do when they get so mad and they just won't stop. They have no words left. They have no screams left. There's nothing else to make a mess of. So at this point you're like, and that cricket. I literally hear crickets. And you just get spit on. It's like think about it. The last thing that you can do before you actually take somebody out, all right? If you didn't want to take them out, you would have them down at their worst and you would spit on them. Like snakes. Did you ever see Flavor of Love? Did anybody ever watch that? Yo! When the one girl spit on the other girl, right? She straight up spit on her like a loogie. And this girl was like, and her breath stank. Like, ew! Yo. I just got fucking zapped. Oh my God! Yo, I just got electrocuted by this microphone. Hi, stronger than SAR. Everybody's going nuts about this cricket. I need some more likes. I gotta see what's going on. Let's go back. Let's see our update. Oh, I have 1,000 diamonds. That's super cool. And 3 gifters, 1 new follower, and we still have the 443 views. So that's good. And let's see, who are my top viewers right now? Because these are people are going to be rich someday. Okay, and if they're already rich, I would not be surprised. Okay, so Yabara, William, King Koopa, Danny, and Bring Trump Back. Yo, you probably saw my... So, Bring Trump Back, go on my content and scroll in the middle a little bit, and I made a a video with a Donald Trump face on, just throwing it back. And the thing is that when I had it pinned, I don't know, I feel like I was starting to it just, since I'm an author and a comedian, I just find things that are funnier. So as an author and a comedian, like I said, I make my own content, I produce, I do all the tech work, I can do everything because I'm goddess, right? Meow meow, all right? But for real, listen, if I talk mean to that cricket on my live, I will get a BAN. That's what I like about TikTok, though, is that they have the same mindset as me. Like, numbers are the language, and people get mad about numbers. Numbers make people feel better. We got 5 people on, and it's 11:37. I've got 30.7 likes right now. So 11:37 at 3,700 likes. So that's 37, right? 3.7K. 3.7K. Now I got 7 people watching. Yes! Meow Meow's getting it now. All right, let's see. I had the synthesized bass, but you know something? I have to like really make sure that my content, like I have really good ideas. That's why my friends that are on right now, you guys know. And you girls know, you guys, mainly you guys, like, I don't know why, it's always you guys, but no, because goddesses make the world go round, because I've been to hell, and I've been to heaven, mentally, spiritually, physically, because your dreams, you can, like, feel stuff, and you know it. Don't even act like you can't. Twinkle is always the first one. So I had that synthesized bass the last time, and I gotta put it on. Yo, it's all hard. There's so many to look at. I remember being a kid and like looking at all of them and being like so overwhelmed that I would just do the old-fashioned do, but I can't. That takes up too much time. I'm an adult now. But I'm obviously still like taking a while to get there. Okay, guitar bass. Okay, yeah. So it was 093. Yo! Get off. Nick Nasty! What's up? Hey! Yo, go on my Facebook or go on my Instagram so you can support me. But like don't drop it. Don't drop it on the comments. Okay? Please don't. Obviously, I have to be safe in the metaverse. But check it out, okay? Because you could definitely probably make it there. Seriously. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So, oh, that's so nice. I must have 2,000 diamonds. That's really sweet. And I've been on for 43 minutes. That's great. So we still have the 456 views. Only 1 new follower because, you know, I don't even get upset about it. It's like sometimes I see followers drop ad. And I like, they're just numbers. Just like, once again, something I hear about is people getting mad about genders and about like, what race is a cartoon? Like, oh my God! That's not real. How could that be real? Because you know when you were a kid, you didn't care. You wanted to be first in line or you wanted to hang out last in line. Like you're a number. That's why there's nombre. So, and then here's the thing. In the US, you can't let anybody know your number because if they know your number, they can take you out. Your numbers are very precious. But you can't do the math. I remember in one of my college classes, there was like this 67-year-old lady, and she was literally just like retired and just wanted to be in the class for the pure experience of it because the teacher was like really good. And I just remember one day she was like, I'm 70, but I did study the science and the maths. The science and the maths. Like, I'm from South Jersey, so like people have a southern accent that has a little bit of like I don't know, like almost like, it's like Southern New Yorker. It's like, A New Yorker would be like, the mass. Or like, they'd be like, I don't know, because I'm from New Jersey and I don't care. Human number 555-666-777. What was that one song about Jenny? 867-5309. Right? Was that it? 867-5309. Does anybody remember that? Oh, cool. I wouldn't be surprised, William. My following and my audience is like definitely from the tri-state area because I'm an OG. Okay? I had AOL. I had AIM. Okay? I had a MySpace. I'm like you, and we finally built this to be the most free thing you can do without being an a-hole. Like, they just don't want you to be an a-hole on their platform because it's their yard. Okay? It's just the rule, and the rule is a number, and there's always a number of rules. All right. Let's go, see, I want to say things like, let's go scare some people. Let's go, I can't say scare or, okay, here. Let's see. All right. Music. Try me now. Let's see. I want to try to find somebody with high energy right now. High energy. This one has, oh, I just, no. Oh, this one looks cool. Hoopy doopy 12. Yo, I hope they come on for real. That is the best name. Yes!
Hi.
Hi! Look, this is my mommy fun time, okay? And
Okay.
my kids just throw these ears all around, but I have a little bit of high energy right now, and I said I've got to pick whoever has the best name, and I came across yours, and I just love it.
Thank you.
So, what are
Yeah.
you doing? You look like
So
you're a teacher or you're in college.
I'm in college, but no, I'm not a teacher. I was a special needs teacher, but I couldn't be in that field anymore, so no
Oh,
longer a teacher.
you're in there forever in your head.
Yeah, for sure.
You've never left. Do you know the comedian Brandon Rogers?
I do not.
Oh my gosh, he's really funny. I have a feeling that you might like that comedian.
Yeah. I'll
So,
look them
what are
up.
some of your goals right now? What are you doing? What are you doing in life? What are your
So
goals?
I go to college. I have about a year and a half left. I'm going to be a dental hygienist, and then after I go into that field for a little bit, eventually I want to go ahead and open up my own dental office.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Do you have a network though? Like, you know how some people like their family, like they, doctors in the family and things like that. That's
No,
good
I don't.
though. You like teeth.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
I seriously went on a date with a guy before, and like I knew that he, was like some sort of dentist, and in his car there was these teeth like that fell out of a box, like that looked like it was ordered or something because we were in the city and it was like bouncing around, and he was like, "Oh my god, I know what that looks like." He's like, "I told you I was a dentist, but I actually make dentures. It's our family practice."
Oh no.
I do red light therapy. I do red light therapy, body contouring, and I'm a weight loss coach with doctor supervision. So I
Okay.
just, yeah, it's really cool. So this is campaign week for my new job, and we're gonna have like this ceremony where there's gonna be like a red ribbon cut, and I'm just like, oh.
That's awesome.
So yeah, but you should look into that too, because the red light therapy, the infrared light therapy that you can, that shrinks your fat cells and things like that, that's predicted to be a $10 billion industry. And if you have the mindset to do the dental hygienist things, what that sounds like to me is like you like working with machines.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I can see how good you are at your makeup and things like that. But you're going to change your mind so many times. But right now, you're going to look back, you're going to consider what I say, and then you're going to see all opportunities. So you're welcome.
Thank you.
Is purple your favorite color?
No, it's actually green or red.
That's
This is just
cool.
one of this is just one of my nightgowns.
Oh,
I'm a nightgown person, and it just says home
I love it.
celebrities. So thank you.
That's really cute. Well,
Thank you.
it's getting pretty late for me where I'm at, and these crickets, can you hear them?
Yeah.
Yo, the whole live, these crickets have been chirping. I think they're mating, but they're like where I'm at on the East Coast, there's spider crickets.
Oh no.
Oh, and they jump. So and like you can't just smash them. Like it's not enough. You have to
Mm-mm.
like M word it.
Yeah.
It
Not
gets
me. I
brutal.
hate
I have a
bugs.
little Boston Terrier. Yeah, so I was I was too dorky for her. Yes, the grand opening. Yeah, it's on my Instagram that nobody follows and nobody likes and nobody really watches my stuff and I don't. Yeah, I got a little upset with YouTube with the YouTube shorts. I put a YouTube short up and it was me using like a L'Oreal product because I like to do my makeup on live because like it's like hitting it's like basically like two girls and like one cup like that's funny. I actually dated a guy that made $30,000 off of campaigning that from code. Because when Google like really became like instead of like AOL search, like Google came up and was like, I got double O's. They look like eyeballs. You got no. Right? Google. Right? You know that like when you see Google, it's like you're looking at it. For real. I know how it is. And I know that I'm not the only one. Two girls walk into a bar. Yep, two girls walk into a bar and get free drinks from these other guys, but they actually thought the bartender was cuter. So they only accepted one drink from the two guys and they were both like rich girls, so they ended up like tipping that bartender a $100 tip at the end of the night. And that's the story of two girls walk into a bar. Real to Mama 2.0. What is up? I love sunflowers. Yay. Oh, you're a 3. You're a 3-3. Wait, hold on. Lindsay! What the fuck? Just kidding. Best friend Lindsay. Best friend Lindsay. Look, I've been going under that light, girl. Look. I've only went under that light like twice. But yo, it shrinks your fat cells. It shrinks your fat cells. And then you get on a vibration plate to get the blood circulating. And then like at least once a week, because you do this like every other day for depending like how much weight you want to lose or whatever. There's like 6, 8, 12 weeks you can do just like the body contouring. And yo, it's crazy. It shrinks your fat cells, and how it does it is it shrinks them and then it boosts your collagen. It is Mother Nature's liposuction. And I am a pioneer. And I knew this day would come because my mom terrorized me about having cellulite. Like, she forced me to eat vegetables, but I never complained about it because, like, they were vegetables we grew in our garden, and I, so I liked them. But, yo, she'd be like, you're gonna have this, like me! But I do have a Groupon to get Botox because I have to take the smoother off. Hold on. I have a butt on my forehead, and I believe that plastic surgery is cosmetic science. Like, it's cosmetic surgery. It's just cosmetics gone to another level to make you feel who you are. And then if you like F that up and you went too far, that's still who you are. You like still had to go through that journey. I don't understand. Oh, yeah, you can do that. It will be so easy for you, honestly. Yeah, I can hook you up. You could probably do that in like less than 6 months. But I don't want to talk about it on my live because I don't even think I'm allowed to. But you should just come to the William 777 stop eating. That is the worst advice. That is the worst advice. You have to at least go on a Tic Tac a day with 8 glasses of water. Jeez. That's, stop eating and start nourishing for that perfect pH balance. Aw, thanks for the likes, Lindsay. Guys, follow Realtor Mama 2.0. She's also a goddess, a Duchess goddess in the metaverse. She knows all the properties. Yes, the palaces. But it's getting late. Gold pH balance. Well, gold, it's definitely not acidic. Wouldn't it have like a very, very strong base, gold? Because where is it on the periodic table? That's one of the main Johns, right, William? Gold is one of the main Johns. I like gold. I like gold. I'm having fun tonight. But it's almost midnight and I gotta have my snack. But Lindsay, you say you're coming back Saturday. Yo, I'm gonna text you, okay? Because we're besties. I'm so glad you came on. I think you just need to see my face again. I'm getting off my live to talk to my best friend. I'm sorry, I'm not sorry.